Sebafubethu ngibelithengweni nonke ethini yakho umoya and I'm back again nenye video uyayazi nawe bayilawe enqabileyo engafumanekiyo naphina but ke ukulapha moswena usayapi ke ngoku but ke mana sikho lapho going in straight uJulius Moseamedi is training with Moseamedi United. We know that he went to Tunisia and he was training with he signed a contract with the club named El Gawafal. I'm so sorry, I'm not good with those Tunisian names, but he signed his contract with the El Gawafal. I just hope that I'm pronouncing it the right way because I don't want to offend anybody. So yes, he was training with that club, and then just after 6 weeks, a mere 6 weeks, we heard that he has terminated his contract, and then now he's back in the country. And a lot of South Africans were going at the club, saying that Tunisia, in fact, those like Arab countries like Tunisia, Morocco, and so on, that those clubs are just like racist towards players. I don't know how much of a truth is that, but that's what they said. I mean, we have so many African players that play over there, but we don't know what was his problem with the club or anybody in the club or anything that resulted in him leaving El Gawafal. But then he is now training with Moseamedi United. I just hope that they can see his potential and he can also get back to his best form, that he can secure himself a contract, help Moseamedi to get back to the highest level of football in South Africa, which is DStv Premiership, of course. And then moving on from that, Carling Knockout Cup semi-finals. A fixture out, guys. So you know, but it's going to go down. You're going to see the clubs bowing out yet again. More shocks. Asiyazi, we'll see. But then it has been confirmed in there about Stellenbosch will be taking on Richards Bay. Whoa. It's about strangers and but yeah, UTS Galaxy now is also going to take on the Amazulu. So it's just two beautiful fixtures. We are expecting a high level of football. We're just anticipating to see a great game of football, just hoping that the fans will behave and Aziz Gwenza and football activities. So I'm just hoping that the fans get to behave and then we get to see some top tier football, my guy, because this is a very beautiful competition. I mean, in fact, all four of those clubs want to create a name for themselves. I mean, all of them will be having their first trophy of the season. You know. So we just hoping to see all the players, including the fans, also like everybody that will be in the facilities, like in stadiums, will be behaving accordingly, so we can witness a beautiful game of football. And then moving on, while talking about the TS Galaxy, which is in the semi-finals of Ilanduka Futi Carling Knockout Cup, they have signed Puso Titechana. So we know how Puso Titechana was recently in the books of the Chiefs, but he was released after he didn't agree to be a ball boy. So the scouts is TS Galaxy, they were quickly on the lookout and they were like, okay, we see a beautiful, talented right back, a young player that is still growing. They snatched him up. I just hope that the Kaizer Chiefs don't regret this decision, because I know for a fact that this is an emotional decision. I mean, they could have just suspended him, they could have fined him, they could have done anything else rather than terminating a contract. But yeah, they did terminate his contract, and Mr. Tim Sukazi came up and snatched the boy. Just hope that he gets it and he lives up to it, because we saw him was selected in the South African national team squad. He was given a professional contract by Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't know about why Ngadali, but I'm getting down. And then moving on to the final story, African Football League tickets are free, guys. So you do not have a reason you're supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah? Man, so you can go and collect those tickets from 11 until 2:30 on the day. So yeah, on that day of the final. It's playing on the 12th, which is on Sunday. That game will kick off at 3. Make sure that you are there. Don't forget to rock your Mamelodi Sundowns Jugelia, Kanyo Fast, Joe, or wear yellow. So so that you can just show full support for Mamelodi Sundowns, chant, do all sort of those things that will just motivate the boys to go on, because the score is 2-1 on aggregate right now. I mean, Mamelodi Sundowns, we know how much of a club they are. We know how good they can be. We know that they can do this. So with your support, Mamelodi Sundowns can bring the first African Football League trophy ever home. So yes, guys, that's all I have for you today. Carling Knockout Cup semi-finals, as I said, we know Julius Moseamedi is back. Put your DJ channel sign for TS Galaxy, and you can go to watch Mamelodi Sundowns against the Wydad Athletic Club for free. Ungalibali, please go to the stadium. Otherwise, that's all from me to you. Nitana nonke. Danko.